Today we're going to take a look at this, the Korg Kaossilator. So I believe this is a little music unit, a bit like a drawing pad, little display there. So let's get some batteries in. Right, power on. Now I would have expected something there. Little button down here. Nope. Nothing. Okay, let's get inside it, see what's going on. It's a bit odd. Okay, let's have a look around the board and see what we have. You can see the battery terminals here. Now I'm really just looking to see what ICs are on this board and if there's anything obviously blown. So there's a few resistors underneath here. And this is the bit for the audio output. And interestingly, it looks like it has an empty space for some more RCA inputs there as well. Maybe this PCB is used on a few different versions and some have an input function. Sadly, not on this one. Okay, some capacitors and transistors here, nothing too unusual. So I wonder if there was ever anything here at IC7, or maybe this is for the upgraded unit. This one here is empty as well. Okay, so moving to this small IC here. This is a AKM 4552VT. And then this one here is a big Korg chip. That's obviously a custom IC for this particular application. And this will be the main DSP processor here for the audio. And then this little one here, this is a TDA 1308, probably an audio amplifier of some description. There's the 3-digit display and the power input. And there's this weird kind of earthing thing that we saw earlier. I have to remember to do that. These are capacitors, possibly for the display. And there's a crystal here. Looks like a RAM chip of some description. Now looking at this, it does look like there might have been some work done to this PCB before. There is some residue here, either flux residue or something like that. We might have a capacitor missing there again. And as you can see, like, there's still some of this residue on the board. So nothing obvious really, nothing obviously blown. Let's do a little bit of a cleanup first. The ribbon connector wasn't connected properly, so let's connect it back in. And then I think we'll get the bench power supply on and see if we can power it up. And maybe do some troubleshooting while it's running. There we go, that's that connected properly now. Right, let's get the bench power supply on. So we'll put the positive on. Okay, zoom in a bit. Voltage comes in here, 5.7, that's good. 5.7, and doesn't seem to come over to these resistors anyway. Let's have a look around here. So C93. Nope, nothing either. So nothing there. It's definitely here, but I can't see whether it should connect to there or not. Let's power this off. Let's switch it to continuity, and we'll see if we can trace where these signals are going. At the moment, it's not going anywhere. Right, so it's at that point there, comes across. Does it go up to there? Because there's no continuity there. But it's just difficult to see because of the writing on the board. I can't actually tell whether it is supposed to go there or not. Yeah, that's good. But nothing there. Zoom in. I'm pretty sure that goes up to that resistor, but there's no continuity. I wonder if there's a conformal coating on this or something. Oh, wait a minute. Did I just move? Yeah, it's moving. It's not connected there. Let's have a look at this angle. I mean, it looks okay, but there is that little line there. I wonder if that's causing it to fail. I wonder if it's just cracked there. Possibly this is where the positive from the battery comes in. Put up a little bit of solder on here just to see if it should go there. That's it. Yeah, it is. It is. It's supposed to go there. Right, so let's just check the resistor itself. It's a 103, so that's a 10k resistor. So let's see what this comes out as. 8.3. Yeah, that looks okay. That's fine. Right, let's fire up the soldering iron. Let's get this put back down onto the board properly. Just add a bit of flux here, help it along. I use my new tweezers again. These are really handy. Don't know how I did without them. We'll just add a little bit on. Yeah, that looks much better now. A bit too much, but that's okay. Right, put this back on. Right, let's give this a go. And power. Yes, excellent. I thought this might light up, but clearly it doesn't. Let's get something in here so that we can record what it's doing. Oh, wow. And I can see the display. Okay, I have no idea what any of these. Let's just pick one. Sounds good. So what's this? Loop, record, play. Oh, there's an ARP on here. Let's see. It's not just great. This must be, maybe that's B for bass. So I call it electric. So that'll be all the weird stuff. This will be the drums. Got the ARP on. We'll go back to the start. Don't mind me, I'm just having a bit of fun here. Oh, I love this thing. This is brilliant. Okay, so yeah, it seems to work. Right, okay, we'll leave it here for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.